Okay.
Yeah.
So, today in this video, we will be showing you how to professionally game as a thing.
As a gamer.
As a gamer. We're gonna go eat some ice cream now. I like how we're just making this chain of videos and like...
Wait, you're recording right now?
Yeah, I'm recording right now.
Okay, bet.
So I wanna go grab that, but I don't wanna die. I'm a god, bro.
So are we gonna switch it up today?
Yeah.
Bro.
We're gonna professionally game as a gamer.
We're gonna switch it up.
It's a dog.
Okay.
I'm going to steal your mother.
Number 2.
Number 15. Okay, meet me in the bathroom. Because we're gonna secretly do it.
Number 5.
I'm going to commit suicide secretly, bro. You have a life? Well, I have a wife.
It's unchanged.
Why are you a dog?
No, it's just a cat.
It's not a dog, it's a cat. Break down. Breakdown going on.
We can't play that. We can't.
We can't do that in a video where it's publicly public. Oh well, I got my vibe checked. I've been vibe checked.
Did you die?
Yeah, time to go back and do the exact same thing.
No.
You stole the bucket.
Yeah.
Eat before you die. Eat before you die, peasant.
One.
Yeah, 24.
3.
18. 47. 16. 48.
Oh dang it! I turned
97.
I'm gonna kill this guy right here.
67. 21. I'm gonna punch him! I'm gonna punch him! I'm gonna punch him!
Wait, are you a furry?
Yeah, I stole your kill cache, by the way.
Oh snap! Oh, you.
I murdered him in the freezer.
Dang, I can't have these no more. Oh yes, I can. I can turn into one. Dang.
No, you can't. Can I eat my own people? No, I can't. This game does not support cannibalism.
No, wait, we're obviously just going here. We're going here. We're going here.
This is our domain.
No, we'll both be in here. We'll both be in here. We'll both be in here.
No, lure him in here. Lure him in here. Lure him in here. Lure him in here, bro. I made him.
No. Oh, he's still alive.
Yes, I got the assist.
No.
Ha ha ha. Murder.
We close off.
I break necks for a living. Prove me wrong.
Wait, we close the door? We close the door and we'll just be right here. We'll just be right here.
Soap. No, we're gonna lure people in here. We got to be sneaky. We have to be sneaky. But then again, I'm feeling something, I feel something is coming.
He's back.
He's back?
Yes.
No, close the door.
Close the door.
He's just gonna stare at us. Are you gonna stare at us or actually come fight us? Oh, stupid. You want me to bap you on the nose? Or do you want me to steal your intestines? Either or sounds fine to me. Eh.
I told him to go away. Go away, bro.
He left. Hooray. Are you in first person or third person?
I'm in third person.
Okay, because I don't know how it feels to be on the phone.
I grabbed him. I grabbed him.
I smacked him.
I got this. Oh, wait, I found another guy.
Are we just making people feel pathetic?
No, go back.
We must stay in our domain, bro. I'm taking that candy cane. You can't stop me. Haha, get locked out, suckers.
I wanna bring someone in here. Wait, be ready. Oh, this man took it.
I want to get the 5 kills. I want to get 5 kills, bro. I just need one more kill, bro. I need one more kill, bro. I need one more kill. Give me that one more kill, or I will exterminate your mother. Okay, so we have to lure them back in, because I feel they're gonna be... They seem like actual good players. Run back.
I'm running back.
Breakdown going on. Stop texting me on Discord, stupid.
Ew.
Nope. I don't know who, I just don't want them texting me on Discord.
Oh, wait.
It's from a server. I think it's from a Minecraft server that I'm usually on.
Go,
shut up, man.
Come on, you're being kind of.
Let's go.
What did I do?
I have a hat now.
No. Yeah, and that's when what?
I have a hat. I just have a hat.
I killed 5 people.
Yeah, when I kill 5 people, I get nope. I get money and I get riding rights.
What do blue things do?
I don't know. The blue with the spikes?
Yeah.
That turns you into a flying dog.
Wait, Cooper, where are you at?
I'm at the cafeteria trying to, murder somebody. Perish. Perish beneath my weight. He's got a gingerbread katana. You wanna fight me, brother? You wanna fight me, brother? If I smack this man once, he's dead.
I just duped this lady out.
Oh, he camper, bro.
We'll go after her.
I'm a festive boy.
Go.
I'm a festive boyo, bro. Deal with it, dog. Bro, don't get too close because he will bait you and you will die. Bro, he might bait you and he might kill you, actually. I am good. Bro, he's the one saying you're gonna die, bro. You're gonna physically die. Okay, come on, let's go back to our domain. Go back to the cafeteria. Or I'll give you 30 burns.
Oh, I almost touched it.
Who keeps texting me? Honestly, who? Oh, that person.
I'm in cafeteria.
I just honestly wanted to see who was texting me. I have stolen their kidneys. Is stealing even a word? Oh yeah! Woo! I'm way too excited about killing one person. No, go back. Stay back. Okay, or just get yourself killed. Fine by me. Look at my face. I'm a dog.
cat.
I know it's a cat.
No, I'm a dog, bro.
That's Garfield, bro. You're Garfield the dog.
You're a cat too. You got whiskers.
So there are people here, and I just accidentally opened settings.
Do we attack them?
Depends. If they went in the kitchen area. They went in the kitchen area. If they go in this specific area right here, then attack them. Ow. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back no more, no more, no more, no more. Hit the road, Jack. And don't you come back. It's the same person, I think. Come back over here. Don't kill them. They're not in the specific kitchen. If they're in the kitchen, then attack them. Ooh, candy cane. Come over here. We close the door. This is our domain. How much? I only have 71 candy count. I'm pathetic. Money. Gib. Demands money.
We go like this and we grab them.
Commits highway robbery. No, they're not in the kitchen, bro. We have to keep our boundaries. What did I literally just say about keeping boundaries as you just leave?
I didn't leave. Sorry, Cooper. Yeah.
I'm
We'll
going
just
to
keep them.
T-pose on you.
We're just gonna pull email and then we're gonna
Give me
T-pose.
money.
Where's the T-pose?
It's called the T-pose.
T-pose with Cooper.
What the dog do? Idle state.
She's right there. She's
Welcome
right there.
to Monkey Momo. Welcome to this place. How may I take your order? Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. How may I help you?
Cooper, I'm not taking our food, Cooper.
You seem like
Wait.
you're depressed. Welcome to Good Burger, home of the Good Burger. How may I take your order? You dare come in our kitchen, we will physically attack you. Bro, they might come in the kitchen. Be prepared, bro. Are you AFK?
No.
Okay, then. I'm going to stare at you like this. What if the people aren't T-posing, then we can't see them? If the people aren't T-posing, we can see them. If they are T-posing, we can see them. In the kitchen, specifically. We still have boundaries. I have 7 kills. I'm a god.
Wild instincts.
I literally have, like... How many, like, kills do I have compared to Infix? I think there's a little bit of difference, like, barely any, though. You know, kill count is, like, 468, infect count's, like, only 95. It's not that big of a difference, bro.
Nope, not big a difference.
Not big of a difference, dog. The dog doing?
So, we're trying to kill Abby.
Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly, like... Okay, so I'm just gonna, like, quickly, you know, take, like, awesome, like... a photo for, Why are you sitting in the chair like that? You know, that's actually perfect. No, sit in there. Sit in there.
Oh, I thought that was a person.
You are going to be... This is going to be Chad Gaming speaking. Welcome back to my podcast. Today we will be throwing children across a table.
Yo.
Okay, so I took the screenshot for the That's not what I wanted. So basically, that's the okay. If you're watching the video right now, am I even recording? I am recording. So if beyond this point, you probably saw me take a screenshot. I am most likely like actually going to post this as like legit, the literal like video thumbnail.
Yes.
You know, the funny thing about this is I don't use, for my text, I actually use a meme, like a meme generator. It's because I find it to be good and I don't have money.
We should extend our boundaries, Cooper.
Actually, I have a better idea for a, Actually, I have a better idea for, like, thing. I'm actually gonna put this as the profile, or not as the profile, as the, Okay, just gonna... I'm just gonna... Yoink. Did you mess up the shot?
No, I
Okay,
didn't.
you didn't mess up the shot. You didn't mess up the shot. I won't kill you this time. Come here, brother. You're mine now. You're my friend now. We're having soft tacos later.
Okay, number dogs.
Dogs. Yes, professional dog.
Dude.
You know that moment you just have like a seizure and give everyone epilepsy?
What?
I spun my camera around and I swear it gave everyone epilepsy. I spun it around and it just like...
Cooper.
So I'm just gonna go back to the kitchen and see, this is why I don't leave the kitchen.
Cooper, I left the kitchen and...
Yeah, I kind of saw what happened when you left the kitchen.
Yeah.
Don't worry, you're safe. Your secret's safe with the entire internet now. Yeah, you kind of died. I need a question.
Someone pushed me.
I want a question. What does 10... Does this give you anything? That's pathetic. It doesn't give you anything.
No.
Give me your lunch money, dog.
Yeah, I died. Oh.
Oi! They're in the kitchen!
They're in the kitchen?
They're in the kitchen!
I'm in here.
Okay, bro. No, they left the kitchen. We are calm now. Remember, stay away from them. They're out of the kitchen. Are you sure? Stop. We... Sweet! Ah! They're in the kitchen! Okay. Oi! Get out of our kitchen. In my kitchen. Smack him, boys! Rattle him, boys! Ow. Okay, he's out of the kitchen, bro. He's out of the kitchen. Don't get yourself killed again, little Johnny.
Sorry, Papa.
Papa.
He's in the kitchen. He's in the kitchen. Round them boys.
Apple bottom jeans and the boots with the fur. Bruh.
He's the
Safe, bro.
Random boys.
You know, kill me at the start because he in the kitchen. We protect the kitchen.
We protect the kitchen. See, if you stay out of the kitchen, we won't kill you, but if you go in the kitchen.
We protect the kitchen.
Say we yeah, protect
We protect the kitchen. Get out of the kitchen! Okay, wait, he's out of the kitchen. He's out of the kitchen. We're fine now. Ooh. Candy cane. Why did I just get 850 something? Is it because I smacked? Wait, but that. I'm deeply confused. I think I got.
Random boy.
He's in the kitchen.
Back up,
Stay
back
back. Back up to here. No, back up to here.
up. Oh.
Sorry. Back up to here.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll just stay over here, and if he comes in, we'll just like grab him.
We'll just jump and grab.
We'll just yank him. We protect the kitchen. Kitchen gamers.
He's in.
He's in the kitchen.
No.
Okay, now we have to go back to our dominant state. We smacked the people inside of the kitchen.
He reset
This
it.
is our spot. This is our spot now.
Look at that.
This is our spot. This is the kitchen spot.
He saw what happened. He's backing up.
Sit over here, bro. Bro, he just like came over here, just like backed up, like said, no. I got the badge now, I think. The real reason that I wanted this stuff is because I wanted the badge.
What badge?
There's a bet. I only got 10. Dang it! I don't know.
Wait, Cooper, are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm still recording.
But
I
random
want
boys.
the
Random.
15, like the 15 kill streak. That is what I want.
He's in the
He's in
kitchen.
the kitchen. We protect the kitchen.
Did he kill him?
No? He still exists.
I got him.
Booga booga. Okay, go back to this area. Boom. I think there's a person with a camera. Epic. I respect this person. They just said epic. We are kitchen protectors.
Ice cream. You have to be ice cream. You have to be ice cream. You have to tell him to be ice cream.
No, he just has to protect the kitchen.
Say that. Say that. Say it. Say that. Say that. Are you saying that or am I
We
saying it?
must protect kitchen.
They step in the thing, we kill them.
Yeah. That's how this works.
Random boys. Random boys.
Oh god. Rattle them, boys. Do 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 do. Rattle them, boys.
They're legit trapped in here. They can't open the door.
Booga booga. Boo booga. Boo booga booga. Excuse me, sir. Do you agree?
Random boys. I'm doing this emote. This is a good emote.
You must sit. We are in the dominant state. Or whatever, like, the neutral state is. Like, we will, like... What does it mean? He's in the kitchen! He's in the kitchen! He's in the kitchen! And now we go back to sitting. This is the perfect strategy. We are kitchen boys.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is exactly what I'm naming this video. Kitchen Boys 9000.
Kitchen boys 9000.
This is gonna be like the entire segment of just us protecting the kitchen and just chatting. Monkeys. Prove me wrong. Prove me wrong.
Buddy. And yeah. Random
It's like,
boy.
it's nice how we're like recording this at like 10 o'clock. Not a reasonable time to record videos. He's in the kitchen! And now we go back to sitting. We are beautiful creatures. We protect the kitchen from the non-kitchen protectors.
Yes, yes.
I also have 10 kills now. I'm happy. I also have this unlocked in the bestiary. You know that computer? If you get 10 kills, you get this character unlocked in it. That's the sole reason I wanted this besides money. I was actually sad when they removed this what is it? This earlier version of this like necessarily transfer or something. This weird looking dog. It was called Cone Cat, and or like Kit Kat as people call it. I was like actually really sad when they removed it from the game. I'm actually kind of happy they replaced it with this because this kind of looks better. But I was sad when they removed it.
What?
The Cone Cat.
What's
It was basically the exact same thing like this, but it came in different colors. You know, there's different flavors of ice cream. It was for that specific reason.
I saw the man go inside.
Like this Cone Cat like usually like used to be like all colors. When I mean all colors, I mean vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry. The 3 colors of the rainbow. I'm gonna be on top of the freezer.
Oh, sure. No.
He came, and I'm gonna go sit back down. Welcome. Okay, he's no longer in the kitchen, so we go back to our regular state. Basically, people could get people killed if they just bring them into the kitchen. Just gonna. Okay, we sit back down now. He's so close to dying. I got him.
Yeah, you got it. Let's go, back.
We protect kitchen. We protect the kitchen.
Yes.
Kitchen protectors 9000 Gamer Boy XXD.
I have a good angle for a thumbnail. Cooper, look at.
Yeah, Mr. Crab. I actually have a better angle. That was not intentional. I have a better angle for a thumbnail. I have a legit better angle.
Look at this.
You want to see what I have that's much better than your idea?
Look at that.
You know what? I actually have a better one. Where is it? This is literally perfect for a thumbnail. It's perfect for a thumbnail. Prove me wrong, dog.
Send the picture.
I sent the picture.
On Discord?
Yeah. In the specific thing that we're talking in right now.
The one that has Landon in it?
Yeah. You know, the guy that was like, we were chatting with? Ice cream. Yes. No.
I don't have it.
I think this man just took a bite out of you.
No.
He said ice cream. Nom.
No,
Nom.
it didn't send.
Stupid. Wait,
Cooper!
no, I need to put something back on. I need to put something back on. I'm sorry. You got the Santa hat.
Yes.
They were in the kitchen.
I got. Send the picture, bro.
I did. Oh my god, did it not send? I'm gonna be like severely. It
Say
didn't
what?
send. It didn't send. It's because I stopped like mid thing in it. This is
Cooper.
okay.
Cooper.
What? Sorry, I'm trying to send the picture.
I got him.
Okay, I sent it. I sent it.
Yeah, that's a thumbnail. Perfect.
That's like the literal perfect thumbnail. Prove me wrong, dog.
That's perfect. Wait, Cooper, I killed him right here, but I grabbed him through the wall and then I killed him out here.
That's fine.
Okay. Good.
I will sniff you. He's in the kitchen.
I got him.
Let's just sit on the floor whenever we're in like a dormant state. I think it's called dormant. I don't know because I'm an idiot. But we'll just sit here. We'll just sit on the floor.
What? How did I stand up?
Because did you equip grab or attack?
Sorry.
That will make you stand up. See if I equip grab, it makes me stand up. This person's got a boombox.
Bro, they're just vibing, bro. We're just vibing, bro.
Vibin'.
So. Okay.
Vibing. Should we end the video here?
As soon as we kill him. As soon as he comes in, we'll end the video.
Okay, yeah.
As soon as we kill one more person, we'll end the video.
Okay. That's a good compromise. Then we'll just chill like this after. Cause why not?
Yeah. Do you have an outro or intro? Except
Literally, my only intro is "What's up, my gamers," and I have no outro. It's usually just whatever I come up with. Bergie. What did someone just? They said Bergie.
What if they watch your videos?
Bergie.
No, it's Cooper. Ain't no way. I'm freaking out.
If people that would actually like reference me, it would be Russian Stickman.
Probably.
It's
sad.
Russian Stickman, guys. It's that Russian Stickman. And if they even did, it would probably be like 14 of the people that actually like watch the videos.
Yeah. Let me see how long the last video was up.
Bro, how long is this video?
Hour. You're 2 viewers. 2 viewers. Do you have 2
Two viewers on the hour-long videos?
No, on the video. The one that we recently posted. Not even joking.
2 viewers already?
Yeah, I'm not joking.
Wow! If we're excited by 2 viewers, we really must suck.
Yeah.
Should this be like a group? Candy cane. No.
I didn't take it. There's one over here. I know.
Where?
I thought there was another one, but okay, let's
Oh,
go
there's
back.
another one over here. You can take this one.
Where?
It's that right there. Okay.
Take a hug.
We.
What are can't even for?
It's in the shop. How many candy canes do I have?
I don't know.
Not enough. That's all I need to
Why?
know.
Why?
Because I want to buy another Christmas box.
There's Christmas boxes?
Yeah, that's what you use the stuff for.
Dude, I think we end the video here, boys.
Okay then.
It was nice knowing you guys.
Why are you saying it's nice knowing? Should we make this like a group channel? It's like me, you, and Landon.
Dude, this is it.
This is it. This is the new trio, guys. Yeah, slap like and your mother. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Goodbye.